Hello and welcome. This is WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 14. The structure of sandy soils can be described as A. Platy, B. Crumbly, C. Single-grained, D. Blocky. So what we are looking at here is the soil structure of sandy soil. And of course, sandy soil is a type of soil which sand particles are much more than the other soil particles. Now, in terms of soil structure, the sandy soil particles are described as single-grained in terms of structure, and this is because the particles are not clumped together. So this accounts for the high porosity of the soil and the loosely packed particles of the soil. So we describe the structure of the soil particles as single-grained, and single-grained is option C. So option C is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.